Welcome to Glitch Radar, your weekly roundup of tech chaos, corporate conundrums, and digital drama. This week is stacked, just like Amazon's warehouses, but with a little less drone debris. So, let's dive in. Okay, here's the big one. TikTok has officially gone dark in the United States as of today, following the Supreme Court's ruling that forced ByteDance to either sell TikTok or face a nationwide ban. So, what does that mean for users and creators? Let me break it down. First, if you open TikTok now, you're probably greeted with an error message or a service unavailable screen. No scrolling, no posting, and certainly no dance challenges. For creators, this is especially rough. Your drafts are still saved in the app, but good luck accessing them without a workaround. If you had videos scheduled to post, they're in limbo too. For some people using VPNs, there's a temporary workaround. But let's be real, that's not a long-term solution. Plus, TikTok's servers in the United States are likely locked down, so even if you bypass the block, performance might be unreliable. The US government says the ban is about national security, but for millions of creators, this feels like a rug pull. Instagram and YouTube are already stepping in to fill the void. Instagram's extending Reels to 3 minutes and updating profiles to look like TikTok's layout. Meanwhile, YouTube Shorts is welcoming ex-TikTokers with open arms. It's a chaotic time for content creators. My advice? Start diversifying your platforms now, because as much as we love TikTok, it's time to prepare for life after the scroll. Next up, let's talk SpaceX. Their Starship rocket exploded mid-flight this week, cutting its mission short at just 8.5 minutes. The launch started off great. Booster separation went smoothly and everything looked promising. Then, boom. The FAA has stepped in, grounding all future Starship missions until SpaceX completes a thorough investigation. To make matters worse, the explosion caused the FAA to activate a debris response area, which delayed flights and disrupted travel for nearby airlines. Imagine explaining that to your boss. Sorry I'm late, a rocket exploded. Elon Musk, if you're watching this, and I know you're not, maybe prioritize rockets over Twitter rebrands for a bit. Next, Tubi is leveling up in the streaming game, literally. For the first time ever, Tubi will be hosting the Super Bowl. This is a major flex for the streaming service that brought us countless binge-worthy hours of free TV. Fox Sports is going all in with a Tubi takeover, live streaming Super Bowl 59 alongside a glitzy red carpet pre-show. Yep, a red carpet for football. Because apparently, the players don't just want touchdowns, they want fashion touchdowns too. Starting January 28th, Tubi's NFL channel is rolling out a Countdown to the Super Bowl series, featuring iconic championship moments. It's like a highlight reel on steroids. Now, the real question is, will Tubi throw in one of those sneaky fake ads during the game? You know, the ones that make you think your TV's broken? If they do, just remember, it's not your fault you chucked your remote at the wall. Say goodbye to Amazon's Try Before You Buy program. It's officially shutting down on January 31st. If you've never heard of it, here's the deal. You could pick up to 6 items, try them on at home, and send back whatever didn't make the cut. It was like having a personal fitting room, minus the awkward fluorescent lighting. This program launched back in 2018 as Prime Wardrobe, and it was a lifesaver for indecisive shoppers and those last-minute I need an outfit for tonight emergencies. Amazon never said why they're ending it, but I have a theory. Too many of us were treating it like a free rental service. Who else has worn a dress once and sent it back like nothing happened? Guilty as charged. Looks like we're going back to old school shopping, where you actually commit to buying things without a trial run. How very 2010 of us. Amazon's drones have hit a snag, literally. 2 of their next-gen MK30 delivery drones crashed last month during testing in Oregon. One of them even caught fire. Apparently, a software glitch made the drones freak out when it started drizzling. Amazon has now paused all drone deliveries in Texas and Arizona, which means you're stuck waiting for your packages the old-fashioned way, via truck. Honestly, I'd rather deal with a delayed package than have a flaming drone land in my yard. Amazon says they're working on a fix, but until then, their drone program is officially grounded. I guess the skies aren't so friendly after all. That's it for this week's Glitch Radar. From football streams to drone dreams going up in smoke, it's been a week of epic highs and chaotic lows. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments. Are you Team TikTok or Team Reels? Until next time, stay glitchy, stay grinding, and keep glowing.